You guys want to bring in an unboxing. I have the Google Nest Wi-Fi. Instead of going with the regular Wi-Fi from Google, I know it's a little bit cheaper, but this one has more coverage and the speed's supposed to be better. Instead of taking 2 routers, it's going to take, or 3 on the other one. This one only needs to have 2, one with the router and one with the point. See what's in it. It was actually Black Friday special. And I'll also have the prices and description, but today was the last day of the special. Okay. Alright, so it looks like there's one, the point, and then this is the router. Looks like this is the get started instructions. And you have each with the adapter. So the other reason why we mostly chose this because our home is already using Google Assistant, and unlike Alexa, because Amazon does have one similar like this, but I'll do a comparison for a separate video. Let me see if there's anything else. Looks like this one has something. Okay, so that's the internet cord. I'm assuming the other one might be. Get it out. It's pretty snug in there. Okay, there's nothing. Thought there was. Alright, I think that's it. Go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more unboxing and more technology videos, and thanks for your support.